And set to be pushed at the State House this session, a plan that would help keep babies safe from parents who no longer want them. Lawmakers approved a law last year that allowed hospitals to have so-called baby boxes where babies can be safely left inside. 2 others already in Indiana were also allowed to continue, but this new bill would let all fire stations that are staffed around the clock to have baby boxes too.
Last year, 2017, was the first year out of 15 years that we've had 0 abandonments in our state. And you have to look at what did we do last year differently than what we did the previous years, and it's pretty obvious. We have 2 baby boxes in Indiana, a hotline that rings every day, and we are helping women across this country.
But critics say baby boxes have not been tested or used enough to know just how safe they are. At least 1 fire station in the Indianapolis area would put up a baby box if this bill becomes law.